So today I'm going to show you guys how to make my wonderful, delicious strawberry protein milkshake. It is very healthy. I usually drink it after my workouts. It rebuilds everything that I lost during my workout, including some fresh fruit. You can also use frozen fruit. I prefer sweet almond milk because it gives it a sweet flavor. Now you can use regular milk if you choose to. It's perfectly fine. Now this next product that I'm about to get ready to show you guys, my link will be down below. This is the whey protein blend that I use. This is vanilla flavored milkshake, and it includes 4 major components, which is endurance, strength, health, and recovery. And you can order that on my website in the link in the description box. Once you click on my link, you can use that to get 15% off your purchase.